Welcome to Beto India Beats Diabetes in association with Republic Media Network. This World Diabetes Day, our key focus will be on accessibility of diabetes care.
Our glucometers, which are very small, very affordable, and simply connect into your mobile phone and function with your app. Function with our app, ensure that there is constant and remote monitoring, and one can actually keep a track on the evolution of their health.
We're working with world-class manufacturers in India to provide these devices at a very, very affordable price point. We wanted to build this ecosystem for Bharat.
We created an ecosystem at Beto, right? So we made it accessible. We had different services to offer. We understood what various healthcare options that the user would need.
For patients' perspective, it basically helps them to track their biomarkers, their trends, their insights, including blood glucose values or blood pressure or weight, etc.
One must understand that from yesterday's IDF Atlas, which has projected the India's figure, 53% of the people have undiagnosed diabetes.
Beto Novic type 2 diabetes reversal programs are about blood sugar control minus the drops.
Where B stands for body weight. It is more likely to reverse in patients who are obese or overweight.
Beto, their work nature is to help people eradicate these diseases out of India.
आपने रीडिंग लिया और वो खुद के ऐप में सेव हो गया।
बीटो से हमें एडवाइस मिल रही है, फिर एक्सरसाइज के लिए कुछ गाइडेंस मिल रही है।
Beto actually beat my blood sugar and it made me from fat to fit, and it is my best health companion.
Bring upon peer support, education in fun and unique ways.
When you have the right kind of food, the right kind of nutrition, the right kind of nutrients, it really changes the way your body functions. For instance, you are what you eat.
Since last few years, I have become very conscious about my holistic health. My personal regime and diet is very balanced.
Your body is different, you need different approach when it comes to a personalized nutritional or personalized medical therapy.
One would suggest that you start off with strength training, resistance training.
95% of the diseases are stress related, they are psychosomatic.
Type 1 diabetes, it is more in younger population, but for true diagnosis we do one is C-peptide test.
If somebody at the age of 70 or 72 years is getting hypoglycemia.
Insulin pump is a device to deliver insulin. It can be equally best used for type 1 or type 2 diabetes management. Any type 2 diabetes patient also who's taking insulin can be put on insulin pumps.
If you're missing your tablets, or if you are cheating on diet, then your average sugars will go up.